Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about remove filter function in Power BI. So what is remove filter? So remove filter clears filters from the specified table or columns. What does it mean? It means that with the help of a remove filter, we can remove the filter context. Okay. So suppose this is the signature of our filter function. Here is table name or column name, and option is also a column name. So this is the signature, right? So what this column table name or column name is all about? This is the table or column name from where filter will be cleared. So suppose you are creating a measure, and in the calculate there's a lot of filters you have applied, but not okay. Let me give this example like this. So suppose you have written a measure, and you want that when this measure is going to apply to any visuals, this table or these columns, whatever the filter it has been applied in the filter context, those filters must be removed. So to do this, we can use remove filter function. So example like this is a calculate function. This is the AP customer sales. And if you want to remove a filter from this calculate function, all the filters which is applied on AP store lookup. So any filter which is applied on the AP store lookup during the calculation of AP customer sales, this filter will going to be removed. This is the optional, this is the repeatable column names that allow you to specifically remove filter from individual columns within the base table. So this could be like many 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever the columns we want to remove from the filter context, we can put here. So this is the example. This is the calculate, and this is the remove filter. This is the store lookup table, and if you want to remove filter which is applied on AP store ID, you can also give more columns like this. This is very important. Remove filter is an alias for all, but can only be used as a calculate modifier, not a table function. This is very important, right? So whenever we are going to use remove filter, it can only be used as a calculate modifier. Here we can see the example which I have just given here. So this remove filter is using in this calculate. Here also this remove filter is using in this calculate. In this exercise, this is the data model which I am going to use. If you want to understand the data model, then please watch video number 12 in this playlist. So what I am just doing in this exercise, I am just creating a measure. This measure is doing nothing but it's creating the total sales by taking the value of total quantity sold and total and the retail price of that particular product from this table. So it will going to give us the total sales. Here what it is giving. So here I am also creating a measure. This measure is doing nothing but it's calculating the total cost price. So how I am just creating the total cost price? I am just taking all the quantities sold, and I am taking all current cost of that particular product. That particular product is available in this product lookup, but this table and this table is related with one-to-many relationship. That's why I have used this related function. So this will going to calculate the total cost of total cost. In this measure, what I'm just doing, I'm just creating the total profit. How how I'm just creating the total profit. I'm just just doing a subtract from the total sales by total cost price. It will give you the total profit. In this measure, what I'm just doing, I am just creating a measure. I'm just figuring out total profit. So here I'm just doing the calculate. What I'm just calculate AP retail profit. Okay, this profit, the measure which we have created, I am just using it. But I am just removing the filter context which has been applied on AP retail sales by store. So all the filter like column, this table or its related table, any filter context will be removed. If you're not able to understand this point of a time, it's okay. Let me just be with me for 5 to 10 minutes. Let me perform this exercise. Then I will just make sure that you can able to understand what I am just saying, that it will going to remove the filter context. What does it means? Whenever I will show you in the visualization, then you will get to understand better. So let me perform this exercise in Power BI. I think this customer sales, uh, I'm talking about this one. This customer sales, I have already created it. Let me just show you. Retail customer. This retail customer measure I have already created. What I'm just doing, I'm using SumX function. I'm using this table, and what I'm just doing, I am taking values from AP retail quantity sold and multiplying with the unit price of that particular product. So it will going to give me the total sales. Now this is AP retail cost. So I have already created, I think, this measures AP retail cost. So what AP retail cost is doing, I'm using the SumX function. I'm using this table. I'm taking the data from AP retail quantity sold and multiplying with the retail price of that particular product. And how I'm getting the uh, retail current cost of that particular product, with the help from this AP retail product lookup table, with the help of a related function, because this table and this table is associated with one to many relationship, and with the help of a related function we can able to fetch the value. That's why it is taking AP retail quantity sold from AP retail store and AP current cost of that particular product which is present in the AP product lookup table, and it is doing the multiplication and it's giving the sum of cost price. Now AP retail profit. Let me create the measure AP retail profit. AP retail profit. It will going to it will I'm just doing minus AP retail customer sales minus AP retail cost. This measure has been created successfully. Let me create these measures. Okay, AP retail total profit. AP retail total profit. So how it will going to calculate? We are going to calculate with the help of a calculate function. And here I am just using AP retail profit with the measure which we have created. AP retail profit. This is the measure which we have created. And here, what I'm just doing, I'm just removing the filter context. Remove filter. From where I'm just removing the filter, I am removing the filter context from a table label. AP retail sales by store. So all the filter which has been applied at the AP retail sales by store, those filter contexts will be removed during the calculation of this total profit. So this measures has been also created. So what I am just doing here, I am creating this measure with the help of a calculator. I am just calculating retail profit, and during the calculation of the retail profit, what I'm just saying to Power BI, all the filter context, all the filters which has been applied on AP retail sales by store table, just remove all the filters. Okay, just remove all the filters and perform the visualization. Let me go to the PPT. Here, what I am just doing, I am just creating a visualization. In this visualization, I am creating a table. In this table, the first column is transaction date. The second column is customer sales. The third column is retail profit, and the fourth column is AP retail total profit. You can observe that this is different. So this is for each and every date. Okay. This retail profit is also based on the each and every date. But you can see that the total profit irrespective of the date, each and every value is this one, total sales. This is the total sales. This is the total sales, because here the filter the filter context which is present in the table, it is not applied it is not applying during the calculation of these measures, because with the help of a remove filter, we are removing all the filter which has been applied on AP this table. AP retail sales by store. All the filters which has been applied over there, it is removing all those filters. That's why here we can see that for each and every row, the total profit is same. I think you can able to get my point, right? Because here if you see the retail profit is different for each and every days. The formula is same, right? But here we are just removing the filter. That's why it is calculating all the filters irrespective of the filter context and giving the same value. Let me create this visualization in the Power BI. This is the visualization table. First, we need to just use this transaction date. This is the transaction date. Then we need to apply customer sales. So this is the customer sales. Then we need to apply AP retail profit, and then we need to apply, what is the name of the measure we have created? Total profit. Let me make it bigger and let analyze here. So for this date, this is the total customer sales and this is the total profit. For this is the total customer sales and this is the total profit. But AP retail total profit, because we are removing the filter context from AP sales by store, and this transaction date is also associated with the AP sales by store with the in the form of expanded table. That's also, this filter context is not applying during the calculation of the total profit. That's why for each and every value it is giving the same result, because we are removing the filter context. So in this video, we have seen how we can use remove filter function in Power BI. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.